Hey man, y'all know what's going on. Daddy&Son just invaded the premises here in Hattiesburg, Mississippi. Got the 2020 slingshot on 22 by 24 inch Rucci. Automatic. Just had this motherfucker special built frame off Can-Am Defender Limited. Full frame off build. This the debut of this one right here. Hey, I just got here. I'm finna unload, get set up. Y'all know what's going on.
Hopped in a black truck, I'm a all-day road running, trapping ass nigga. I'm a dog shit talking, old bragging ass nigga. I'm a all-day road running, trapping ass nigga. I'm a dog shit talking, old bragging ass nigga. $500,000 cash on me, I done lost my damn top. Used to eat nothing but rice, now I pull up lounge shop. I do not care about the price, 1,000 on some flip-flops. AP doing a lot of dancing, my wrist need a TikTok. Double cover my left hand, grip the steering wheel with the right. Gave my lawyer 50K, but cost the lit his life.
props to it. See, it ain't easy being a Mac, but somebody gotta do it. True, it's usually not represented right, but I'm the MACDABBY, and tonight's tonight. Please, my whole crew makes G's. Tonight's the night, baby. So
I'ma play the game how it goes. They can take me out the hood, but I'ma keep it hood, folks. And I don't need a skill for the work. I can eyeball, bro. On first, I'm the truth, and they say the truth hurt. Hustle mean hard work, If you scared, go to church. Man, this rap stuff is easy. Every beat I get, I murder. I'm a hood. I keep the by the pound. The chump stay working. Y'all know we run the time.
There's gonna be some stuff you're gonna see that's gonna make it hard to smile in the future. Whatever you see, the wall.
Turning circles in my ninth grade, dealing cocaine. Too many houses in my local life.
1945, it's in 29. Believe me later on in a future. Look at the fantasy. In a constitution. In the catch all the rest of Operation Heartbreak Hotel. Moments tale. Until we got tight beats and off this bed. They'll say it's